Hey guys, I'm Deepthi and in today's video I'm going to be talking about some underrated skincare products, mostly under rupees 500. Some of them do exceed this budget, but mostly affordable products, and I feel like a lot of people have to know about these products. You need to try these products out to see how amazing they are. So I have some really good products I want to talk to you guys about, and I have been using them for quite some time now, and I feel like they've been working really well on my skin, my body. So that's the reason I decided to sit down and do this video for you guys. So the first product I'm going to be talking about is this one. This one is from the brand called FURR, and this one is their acne and sebum controlling serum. This has 5% lactic acid and 1% salicylic acid. So the lactic acid again is a AHA. It exfoliates your skin, and it exfoliates your skin gently, and also works on any kind of like pigmentation that you have. And salicylic acid is really good if you are someone who's prone to breakouts, and controls the sebum production of your skin. And this serum again has a lot of other good ingredients which I want to tell you guys about. So this one has Centella asiatica, which is again a nice anti-inflammatory ingredient. So it reduces skin inflammation and accelerates wound healing. It also has cucumber extract, which reduces the irritation of your skin and also adds hydration. It also has glycerin, which is a good humectant. It is again a really good ingredient to relieve your skin of certain amount of dryness. Also has licorice extract, works on uneven skin tone and reduces dark spots to a great extent. So this is how much I've used this serum up, and you can use this, probably you can stick to about twice a week or thrice a week. And this particular serum, you get 30 ml of product, and this retails for 549 rupees. I'm sure you can always find them on an additional discount. I do have a coupon code with this brand. I will leave it in the description box below if it is in fact active currently. So I feel like, this serum is super lightweight, but also it's not like very stripping and drying on my skin. It adds a really good hydration to your skin. Like I mentioned, it's extremely lightweight, so absorbs into your skin really well. And I have been using this for quite some time now. I have noticed that my skin is doing a lot better. So I used to have a lot of breakouts suddenly, and I'm not sure what actually caused these breakouts. So there used to be new bumps, new constant arrival on a daily basis, and I was not sure what was causing that. So I put a rest to all of my regular skincare products, the things that I was using non-stop, like regularly, and I just started to try out something new to see if that actually works. So this is one of that serum that I did incorporate into my skincare routine, and it was new, and so I gave it some time and I saw how it was working, and I love how it was working on my skin. It's so nice right now. I don't really have any new breakouts, nothing of that sort, and my skin looks a lot more even. The texture of my skin has improved as well, and it looks a lot more smoother and glowy. The only person who notices my skin on a daily basis is my husband, of course, and he was also observing that my skin was going through a lot. And then one day when we were like traveling, he was like, "What is up with your skin? It's looking a lot better, like smooth, clear. What is it that you're doing?" So I was like, okay, this serum is actually working, and it does take a lot of patience. It does take time, like any other skincare product does, but it definitely did work out for me, and this is something that I have been loving using. So it does contain some kind of like mild fragrance to it, nothing that is overpowering, and nothing that makes me refrain from using this product. I'm actually sometimes okay with skincare products having mild fragrance as opposed to getting that raw ingredient scent, like something that smells of the actives in it. I don't really want that kind of a serum. I do have a couple of those, and because of that, I can't use it without getting like really icky about it, and it bothers me. So I'm okay with something that smells a little bit subtle and something that draws me more to that product. So I have really been enjoying this. So yeah, this is a serum that would actually work for all skin types, and it's not like any particular skin type should refrain from using this. Of course, if you have any grave concerns, you have like other skin issues that you need professional consultation with, you need to visit a doctor, you need to check it up. But if you don't really have any grave concerns with your skin and just like a little bit of breakout, maybe texture issues, and your skin is not just behaving normally like it was, and you just needed to switch up your skincare products, maybe try out something a little bit new new, you can definitely look into this. So the next one that we have is the Kiehl's SPF 50 UVA plus UVB mattifying sunscreen. This has a PA++++ rating, and this is free of oxybenzone and OMC with blue light protection. This is a tinted sunscreen. So initially I was very skeptical like how these tinted sunscreens actually work, because what if it doesn't really match my skin tone? So I tried it on myself and on someone with a much deeper skin tone than I am, and it blended seamlessly. So not like I used a very light amount, I did use a generous amount of sunscreen, as you should, and it does take quite a bit of a time to blend in, and once it does, it just looks beautiful as well. So that's great, no white cast, and it just looks really nice overall. It makes your skin look really beautiful. But apart from that, this has really good ingredients. So it has 5 UV filters, which one is tinosorb, which I mentioned in my previous sunscreen review as well, which is a really good ingredient that protects your skin from the UVA and UVB rays as well. And then you have zinc oxide, which is a UVA filter. You have titanium dioxide, which is a UVB filter, and it also has a couple of other UVA and UVB filters in it. It also has aloe vera extract and green tea extract in this particular sunscreen. So it has a good SPF of 50. And so yeah, even if you do apply your sunscreen when you're just heading out of your house, you need to reapply it, which is something that I do preach quite often, but sometimes I forget to do that. But these days I am trying to be regular with my sunscreen as well. Like I try to reapply it as many times as I can. So this is a sunscreen that I would recommend for people with normal to oily skin, because it is quite mattifying. I'm not sure if you would really like it if you have dry skin. You could try it out, but I would ideally recommend this for people with normal to oily skin. It just blends beautifully, seamlessly, makes your skin look good as well. And I feel like my skin tone is a lot more even, and there's no uneven pigmentation, there's no uneven tan on my skin. And so yeah, I've really been enjoying using this. So this is my current go-to sunscreen, and I like it because it's not so much of like a white cast on my skin. And then this is the last product I have from Kiehl's. This one is their Jojoba oil, which is a blend of jojoba oil and rosehip oil, which is for your skin and hair. So this oil is a blend of just 2 vegan oils, that is jojoba oil and rosehip oil. So this, when you use it on your skin, it could reduce premature aging, lighten the dark spots on your skin, and also acts as a really good moisturizer. But I particularly prefer using this for my hair, because I feel like it takes care of that dryness in your scalp, that itchiness in your scalp, and it also makes my hair feel really soft and nice. I do take a generous amount of this, apply it onto my scalp, and massage it at least about an hour or 2 before I wash my hair. I let it soak in, and then I wash it off. And right now, this is like, so it's been 3 days since I washed my hair. My hair wash is due tomorrow, but you can see how my hair is looking, and even my scalp is looking. So this is a big thing coming from me, because I've always been complaining that ever since, you know, there's a change in water and everything, my hair feels a little bit frizzy, rough, and it was not the usual like how it was. So I feel like this hair oil is really helping me out a lot. And yeah, I also started to switch up my hair mask, which I'll talk to you guys in another video, which is something that you can't really find that easily online, but it's a really good hair mask. And I feel like my hair is feeling so good and so nourished and soft and gentle, and major credit goes to this particular hair oil as well. I do, however, feel like I will empty this a lot faster, because it's something that I am using for my hair. So I wish we could get more quantity in this, and that's the only problem that I have with this particular hair oil. It has a nice herbal scent to it from the ingredients that is present in this. So of course you can use it for your face, maybe your body as well if you want to, or just for your hair as well. So the next one I'm going to be talking about is the Plum Vitamin C Toner Glow Boost Toner. This one is a fragrance-free toner. This you get for 100 ml of product, and this retails for 425 rupees. I just wish that it didn't come in this kind of a packaging where you have to spritz it on your face, because sometimes it gets into the eye, and you also tend to waste a lot of product in that process. So if it was this kind of a packaging where you could just spill it out and just use just how much you need. I feel like that would have been more value for money as well. So with that aside, I really love this toner, and I feel like it worked really well for the situation my skin was in, and that transition from winter to summer, it just made my skin feel a little bit more brighter and glowy looking, and also all of that dullness from my skin was taken care of to a great extent. And I feel like it has to do with the vitamin C toner along with their vitamin C serum. So it's a great combination. I've emptied the vitamin C serum from Plum, but the toner and the serum were a really good combination, and I feel like not a lot of people talk about this particular toner. I feel like it's a really good toner to use. So this is a toner that I have been using religiously, and so far have loved the results. So I use this pretty much during the daytime and sometimes even during the night time, and I love how it's working for my skin. And then we also have the Plum Micellar cleansing water, such an underrated product. So this you get 200 ml of product, and this retails for 375 rupees. It is so gentle on the skin, okay? It doesn't dry your skin out, it doesn't strip your skin of any moisture, but it takes off the makeup so efficiently. So I use this cloth that I got from Miniso, and I just dunk a very little amount of this micellar water onto that, and I remove my makeup, sometimes even for lip swatches, and it has been so helpful. It's so nice, you know. I feel like it's so underrated. It is comparable to all of the other micellar water that is available in the market. Really good product. So the last product from Plum that I want to talk to you about is their body loving shower cream. So this one is the vanilla vibes variant, and I got this one because I was like, okay, shower cream, I haven't tried something like this before. So this one is a little bit thicker than your usual shower gel, your body wash, and it's really nice. It doesn't strip your skin off, and it doesn't leave your skin feeling really dry and itchy, and you do need a generous amount of this. So in that way, I think you would run out of this a little bit faster, because you get 200 grams of product, and this retails for 380 rupees, which is a good price point, I feel like, for a shower product, because we tend to use them on a daily basis and sometimes a little bit generously, and I don't want it to be too expensive. So this smells divine. It is not stripping on your skin, and it feels good on the skin, nice and moisturizing on the skin. So this has Murumuru butter in it, and it also has kokum seed butter. It has basil nut seed oil, sunflower seed oil, nice moisturizing ingredients, and I feel like you smell really good when you use this, and your bathroom smells really fresh as well. Like it smells like a bakery, and not in a bad way, not like repulsing. So really good shower cream. Enjoying this. And something else that I got on my subscribers recommendation is the Love Beauty and Planet Murumuru butter and rose aroma body wash. So this one is not as thick as the shower cream, of course. This one is a little bit more lightweight on the skin. It has a nice slip to it, and it smells divine. So this again is really good, and I'm so done with shower gels, body washes that strip your skin off, you know, eventually, like on the waist area and everything. When you're wearing denims, it just feels dry, and you can see that even after moisturizing, your skin is just irritated and itchy. No amount of like body oils, body lotion is working. I feel like with these products, my skin feels a lot more nicer, not a lot less dry, and I smell good. Not for a really long amount of time, but for a prolonged period of time after the shower, and really enjoying this. It feels luxurious. I really like it. So this one you get 400 ml of product, and you get 50 rupees, which is a great value for money product as well. And this one is made in India. And then another product that is working really well for my skin is this Pilgrim Salicylic and Glycolic Acid Foaming Face Wash. So this one is for oily and acne prone skin. So I don't know if it's a combination of all of these products, but all of these turned out to be really good. This is a really good face wash, especially if you're again dealing with a lot of breakouts, a lot of oiliness on your face. Now that we are heading towards summers, maybe you are struggling with that particular issue where your skin is getting a little bit oily. I would suggest trying this out. This is a foaming face wash, and I feel like it's really nice and gentle on the skin, but it does what it has to do. It cleanses your skin really well, and also the breakouts are at bay. It's not aggravating anything, and I like this one a little bit over the minimalist salicylic acid face wash as well. I was using that non-stop until I discovered this particular face wash, and so I switched it up, and I'm really loving this. Really good face wash. So the last product I'm going to be talking about is this one. This is the FURR by Be Safe Daily Repair Serum. So this I did mention in my current favorite video as well, and I mentioned that I will talk to you guys about this particular serum. So I do use a combination of both of these serums most of the times, and so this one is the sea algae serum. So this, I really like it. Again, it has really good ingredients. So it has licorice extract, it has sea algae extract, green tea, oatmeal extract. So again, something that can calm your skin down and also hydrate your skin to a certain extent. So these two serums were a great combination. This serum was something that I used to use specifically during the night time, so I could use this on alternate days. So on days where I needed something else, this was constantly there in my skincare routine. So this I used it morning and night time, and I really liked how my skin was looking, the texture of my skin as well. So I do feel like this is an underrated product. This one is for 499 rupees, which is not too steep, and I think I do have a discount code, which is not affiliate, but I think I do have a discount code. So a good serum, like for me at least, when I had a lot of texture on my skin was not looking the best. I feel like this serum was working really well for my skin. So yeah, again, all of these are skincare products, so they are pretty subjective. It depends on how your skin is, how it's going to react to a particular product, but so far I have been really loving these products, and so that's the reason I decided to sit down and make this video for you guys. So I will leave all the product links in the description box below, along with the coupon codes with which if you shop you would get an additional discount. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.